Hello, students. Students, we have started with the chapter multiplication few days before, and today, and sorry, the day before yesterday and yesterday only, we have discussed some multiplication sums on a worksheet on different worksheets. Okay, so same. For that, so that the concept of multiplication is clear to you all, most of the students are giving queries that ma'am they are facing problem in multiplication. So I hope after doing so much multiplication worksheets, and if you practice more sums, then it will be easy for you all to do the multiplication. Okay, so I have given you already more sums other than the exercises for multiplication, and today also we are going to do one type of multiplication. Okay, so till today we have done the multiplication of one digit number without carry, and multiplication of one digit number with carry. Okay, other than that we have done multiplication by tens and multiplication by 100 also, or thousands also. Okay, so see, today we are going to start with the new topic of multiplication, that is multiplication by two digit number. So today we are going to start with the topic two digit number. ओके अभी तक हमने कुछ मल्टीप्लिकेशन वन डिजिट विद कैरी और विदाउट कैरी के किए हैं सम, और कुछ मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय टेंस और 100 भी कर चुके हैं एंड 1000 भी कर चुके हैं. एंड टुडे आज हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन टू डिजिट नंबर की स्टार्ट करेंगे. टू डिजिट नंबर जो कि एक मल्टीप्लायर है, उसको हम बाकी दूसरे मल्टीप्लिकेंट से कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, अदर देन 100 एंड 1000. ओके, so let's just start. Okay, and I'm going to show you with the example only. And okay, let's just take few example. Like I will take 15 multiply by 25. So this is the sum. So here, as you can see, this is all 15 is also a two digit number and 25 is also a two digit number. So now we are going to multiply these both these numbers. ओके, अब हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और दोनों क्या दो डिजिट नंबर है ना. एंड नाउ हम क्या करेंगे, उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, just listen and look very carefully. Okay, so the number is 15 and 25, so we have to multiply both. So first of all हम क्या करेंगे, पहले सबसे पहले हम इसको कॉलम फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. Okay, so that it will be easy for us to solve this sum. Okay, so the question was 15 multiply by 25. 15 को हमें किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 25 से. ओके, सो हम इसमें क्या करते हैं कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी मल्टीप्लाई दिस नंबर. एज यू कैन सी दिस इज़ द मल्टीप्लायर ना. सो मल्टीप्लायर में पहले हम उसका एक एक डिजिट लेते हैं और बाकी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. कैसे, सबसे पहले हम 5 को इस पूरे 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, फिर हम अपना आंसर लिखेंगे. एंड देन सेकंड में हम फिर जो सेकंड स्टेप है उसमें क्या करेंगे, फिर हम 2 को लेंगे और फिर उसको इस पूरे 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सपोज़ अगर हमारे यहाँ पे पास होता 215, सो हम उसमें क्या करते, तो सबसे पहले हम 5 को 215 से मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर लिखते, एंड फिर 2 को 215 से मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर लिखते, और बाद में दोनों के आंसर्स को हम क्या करते, ऐड. एंड देन दैट इज़ हाउ वी ऑलवेज डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू डिजिट number. Okay, so let's just start. Okay, I'll take two digit number 15 multiply by 25. 15 को 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, सो हाउ यू विल डू इट, सबसे पहले हम इस 5 को इस पूरे 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, okay, let's just start. 5 5s are 25, 5 यहाँ, 2 कैरी टू द नेक्स्ट नंबर। ओके, नेक्स्ट अब हमें पूरे 15 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है ना, बट इसको जब हम 15 से, जब 5 को हम 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, आप डायरेक्टली 15 5 पे लिख सकते हैं इफ़ यू नो द टेबल ऑफ 15, और आप इंडिविजुअली पहले इसको 5 जो ये वाला 5 है, इसको इस वाले 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर इसी 5 को दोबारा 1 से भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो वो दोनों 15 में बन जाएगा। ओके, सो अब हमने 5 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया। नाउ विच इज़ लेफ्ट, 1 इज़ लेफ्ट ना, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई द मल्टीप्लिकेंट 25 विद, जो 25 में 5 है उसको हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 1 से। सो 5 1 ज़ा 5, यस 5 1 ज़ा 5। सो 5 हमारे पास आंसर आ गया, प्लस आपने देखा होगा इसके ऊपर 2 भी है, ऊपर ऊपर क्या है, 2। तो इसमें क्या करेंगे, उस 5 में हम इस 2 को प्लस कर देंगे, एंड देन वी विल गेट द आंसर विल बी 75। इज़ इट करेक्ट? ये हमारा आंसर कैसे आया, पहले हमने जो 5 को है 15 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था। ये आपको नहीं लिखना है, जो मैंने ब्रैकेट में लिखा है टिक किया है, ये आपको नहीं लिखना है। आई हैव जस्ट डिड इट so that it will be easy for you to understand this. I hope the step up to this is clear to you all. Okay, that you have to multiply this 5 that is given with 25 with the number 15, and उसके बाद आपका आंसर आ जाएगा। And now again what will we do, we will take the another number that is 2। अभी 5 से सबका हो गया, now we will take 2 and multiply it with 15। You will multiply, you can directly also multiply 2 15s are 30, you can write, or you can write like 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10, 0 is here, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 and 1 30। okay, आप step wise भी, or you can directly multiply 15 with 2। okay, so take whatever you want or whatever is easy for you। okay, so I am just taking, first of all I am taking this 2 and going to multiply it with 5 given in the multiplicand। so 2 5s are 10, so 2 5s are 10। ओके, यहाँ हम कुछ नहीं लिखते हैं, हम एक स्टेप लीव कर देते हैं। ओके, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लीव इट। ओके, नाउ 2 5s are 10, 10 means 0 here and 1 will be carried to the next number, that is 1। ओके, नाउ 2 को अब हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 1 से। सो 2 1s are 2 एंड प्लस 1 3। सो द आंसर इज 375। 375। okay, now one more example I'm going to take। okay, so that this concept is clear, just listen very carefully। okay, now we are going to take one more digit for multiplication। let's just multiply 42 with 12। 42, okay, 142 multiply by 12, suppose। okay, now we have to multiply 142 with 12। again we are going to multiply this 2 given as the multiplicand, इस 2 का 142 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एंड फिर उसके बाद 1 को 142 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एंड उन बाद में इन दोनों के आंसर को हम क्या करके ऐड करके अपना मल्टीप्लिकेशन का आंसर निकाल लेंगे। ओके, सो लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम टेकिंग दस 2। okay, I'll just change the number, just take it as 13। okay, so that there is no confusion। 142 multiply by 13। okay, अब सबसे पहले हम इस 3 को 142 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे स्टेप बाय स्टेप, और इकट्ठे इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन डू दैट। ठीक है, इकट्ठे 142 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 रफ में करके देखा और यहाँ पे आंसर लिख दिया, आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं। okay, or I am going to do it just step by step। so let's just take the 3 first। 3 multiplied by 2, 3 2s are 6। okay, next again इसी 3 को हम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 3 4s are 12। 2 is here and 1 is carried to the next number. Okay, now again multiply this 3 with 1. 3 ones are 3 and plus 1. The answer will be 4. So if you multiply the 3 with 942, the answer will be 400. Sorry, it's not 900, it's 100. Okay, I'm just write it very wrong. That's why. Okay, if you multiply 142 with 3, the answer will be 426. Okay, is it okay? Now next step. In next step we are going to leave a space here, और आप चाहे तो इसको नॉर्मली छोड़ सकते हैं और यू कैन मार्क 0 ऑल्सो, सो दैट आपको याद रहेगा कि आपको यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं लिखना है. ओके, नाउ टर्न बाय टर्न we will multiply 1 with 942. 1 2s are 1 2s are 2. 1 4s are 4. 1 1s are 1. So the answer is, अब हम इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. 6 4 8 1. So the answer is 1846. 1846. Okay, so this is how we are going to do this. We are going to solve the sums with 2-digit multiplier. Okay, we will do more practice of this sum method. This is the little bit confusing, or this is the new concept introduced to you. So we are going to practice it again and again, so that this concept is clear to you all, the how to multiply a multiplier containing 2 digits. Okay, let's just take one more example. Okay, or I should show you with the help of a worksheet also. Okay, so this is a worksheet I have prepared for you all. Okay, so this is the worksheet of the same multiplication that we have practiced just before. Okay, so now we are going to solve this worksheet, and I hope the concept of multiplication will be clear to you properly. Okay, so those who have not listened before, just listen to this very carefully. So beta, what we are going to do is that the first question of 2a is 13 multiplied by 93. So here we have to multiply 13 with 93. So what we are going to do, we are going to use this 3, and first of all we will multiply this 3 with this 3, and then we will multiply this 3 with this 3, and then we will get the answer. Okay, so that means 13 multiplied by 3, that is first step that we have to do. After that, we will multiply the 9 with the 13. 9 with the 13. Okay, so and after multiplying both the numbers differently with 13, we will add the solution, the number of both. Okay, and then we will get the solution of our multiplication. Okay, so let's just start. So the question is 13 multiplied by 93. 13 multiplied by 93. So first of all we will take the 3 from the 93 and multiply it with the 13. So 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay, now we have to put the cross mark here, or you can leave the space also, but it is better if you put the cross mark here. Okay, now let's multiply this 9 with 13. 9 threes are 27. 7 is here and 2 is carried to the next number. Okay, now 9 ones are 9 and plus 2 11. And now we are going to add both these numbers. So 9 and we have to so 9 is, there is none other number to add with 9, so we will write directly 9 here. So now 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7 is 10. So 1 is carried to the next number and 0 is put down. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 and here it is 1. So the answer is 1209. Understood? Now moving next. Okay, so moving next, I will do the next sum also, so that the it is properly clear. So first of all, the second sum is 30 multiplied by 33. 30 30 multiplied by 33. Understood? So first of all, we will take 1 3 at ones place from the multiplier. The 33 is a multiplier, na, and which digit it has ones place, that is 3. In this sum, both the digit at tens and ones place is same, so that's why I am telling you. So we will take the digit from ones place. Okay, so let's just start. 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 9. Okay, now we will put a cross mark here. 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 9. Now we have to add both these numbers. 0 plus nothing is equal to 0. 9 plus 0 is 9 and it's 9. So the answer is 990. Okay, so this is how we are going to do our practice sum for for this multiplication with 2 digit. Understood? Okay, I'm just so now I'm going to show you a video regarding the multiplication of 2 digit number, and I hope this is little bit helpful for you. Okay, just listen to the each and every word told in this video properly and carefully also. Okay, let's just start.
By one digit number. For example, multiply 563 by 3. First, multiply the ones. 3 into 3 is equal.
Okay, this is we have done already. Okay, this is we have done already. I'm just giving you this also for just understood how to do the multiplication. Okay, this is just a revision, and after that they will show how to do the multiplication of 2 digit number. So in this the multiplication by 1 digit number, we have to multiply 563 with
equal to 9. Write
3.
9 under ones column. Multiply the tens. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Write 8 under tens column and carry 1 to the hundreds column. Multiply the hundreds. 5 into 3 is equal to 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Write 6 in the hundreds column and 1 in the thousands column. Thus, the product is 1689. Multiplication by 2 digit numbers. For example, multiply 936 by 23. First, multiply 936 by 3, then by 20. Thus, the product is 21,528. Multiplication by 3 digit numbers. For example, multiply 256 by 341. First, multiply 256 by 1, then by 40, and finally by 300. Thus, the product is 87,296. Multiplication by 100. 200, 300, 900. To multiply a number by 100, 200, 300 or 900, first multiply the number by 1, 2, 3 or 9, as the case may be, and then place 2 zeros to the right of the product. For example, 13 into 100 is equal to 13 into 1 into 100 is equal to 13 into 100 is equal to 1300. Similarly, 22 into 200 is equal to 22 into 2 into 100 is equal to 44 into 100 is equal to 4400. Multiplication.
So as you have seen in this video that how to do the multiplication with 100, 200, 300, 9 or up to 900, and how to do multiplication with 1 digit number and multiplication with 2 digit number. So in this video, first of all, we are going to concentrate on the multiplication with 2 digit number. Okay, so I'll just show you again, and then we will discuss it. As you can see, students, as you can see in this video, I have shown you earlier, before this, that multiplication by 2 digit numbers. So here they have taken the example 936 multiplied by 23. So as you can see, okay, it is 23. If we break 23, okay, if we break 23, it will be 20 plus 3. If we break, or if we write it in expanded form, 23 will become 20 plus 3. Okay, so like this, first of all, the 3 is at one's place, so we will simply just multiply 936 with 3. Okay, next 2 it is at 10's place, that means its value is 20. So then we will multiply 20 with 936. Okay, so this is how we are going to solve it, and after finding the multiplication of both, we will add those numbers and the answer will be 21,528. Okay, so again I am going to show you this same sum on my personal notepad, and then we are going to discuss it. Okay, so the question was 926 multiply, sorry, the question was 936 multiply by 23. So this was the question in the video. So I am just going to show you how they have tried to solve it. You can also use that method. 936 multiply by 23. Okay, first of all, we are going to break this 23. If we write it 23 in expanded form, it will be 20 plus 3. Okay, same in this sum, we are going to use this method. So first of all, we are using this here. So first of all, as we have break down 23 into 20 plus 3, 23 को अगर हम ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे, एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, तो वो 20 plus 3 हो जाएगा. ओके, इसी चीज़ को हमने फॉलो करते हुए इसको दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना. ओके, सबसे पहले 3, एज 3 इज सेम, 3 ही है. सो 3 multiply by 6, 3 6 are 18. Carried 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 0 is here and 1 is carried to the next number. Okay, now 3 9s are 27 plus 1 28. So the answer is 2808. Okay, Now moving next. Now we are going to multiply this 2 with all these numbers 936. You will simply just multiply 1 by 1, 2 multiply by 6, then 2 multiply by 3, then 2 multiply by 9. Or you can directly just multiply 20 into 936. As the place value of 2 in this is 20, so we are going to multiply 936 with 20. Okay, so let's just start. So this is the solution of 936 multiplied by 3, and now we are going to do the multiplication 936 multiplied by 20. Okay, so as you can see, we have to leave this space. Okay, so this is the solution. 2 6 are 18, 1 is carried again, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 2 9s are 18. So now we are going to add both these numbers. 8 plus nothing is 8, 0 plus 8 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, and 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 11, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 21,588. 21588. Okay. Oh, sorry students, I have just done a little bit wrong. Here 2 6 are 12. Here we will write 2. 2 6 are 12. 1 is carried. So the answer will be 21,528. Okay, so this is the solution, and you can see the solution from the video also, that the solution of both the sum is same. Okay, just keep in mind, if you want to directly multiply 936 with 23, like 3 with the 936, okay, and then 936 with 20. Okay, this is the place value, and you have to multiplying the whole number collectively. You have to use this multiplication method. Okay, so I hope this is clear now, that how to do multiplication with 2-digit number. Okay, now I am going to show you some more sums, and that you are going to solve yourself only. Okay, now okay, so the first sum here is 14 multiplied by 23. 14 multiplied by 23. So let's start. Now first of all, we are going to multiply 3 with 4 and then with 1. Okay, and then the 23, 2 with 4 and 2 with 1. And after that we will add the solution. Okay, let's just start. 3 4s are 12. 2 is here, 1 is carried next. 3 1s are 3. Plus 1 4. So the answer is 42. Just keep a wrong sign, keep a cross here, so that it is understood that you have to leave this space. Now 2 4s are multiply 2 with 4 and then with 1. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. So now we are going to add both these numbers. We are going to simply just add. 2 plus nothing is 2. 4 plus 8 is 12. 1 is carried here. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 322. 3, 2, 2. Okay. So this is how we are going to do the multiplication with 2-digit number. Okay. And there is B part also. 39 multiplied by 28. That means you have to do it yourself only. Okay. More practice, more effort, and more fruit. So no pain, no gain. So you need to work very hard, and you need to do very much practice. Okay, so for understanding this multiplication. Okay, जितना आप practice करते जाएंगे, you will be easily able to solve these sums. Okay, so this is enough for today, and now after that we will discuss the two-digit multiplication with the 2-digit or 3-digit or 4-digit or whatever it is. So okay, from the book. So now after that we were going to do all the sums from the book. Okay, good.